Hello, everyone. This will be our fifth video on how multi-agents can help to analyze a company's customers. Do you have any general questions?
Hi, I have been researching multi-agent systems and want to better understand how they can benefit my company.
Multi-agent systems are a powerful solution for automating and optimizing processes in complex business environments. To begin with, what are the main challenges you face in your company?
Mainly, we struggle to integrate information from different areas, optimize inventory management, and improve overall operational efficiency.
This is an ideal scenario for a multi-agent system. First, specific needs must be identified through internal and external analysis. This would allow us to detect inefficiencies in operational processes and find opportunities in the market.
And how do we define the objectives for the implementation of a multi-agent system?
Following the SMART methodology, where objectives must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if we want to improve customer management, we can set a goal such as increase customer retention by 20% in 6 months by implementing a predictive analytics system that allows us to personalize interactions and anticipate customer needs.
Very clear. Now, I have some doubt about the technology. What tools can be used to develop these systems?
There are several recognized platforms. JADE is one of the most widely used in multi-agent development environments due to its ease of implementation and compatibility with FIPE. AgentScope is another popular choice, focused on inter-agent communication. And if you are looking for a model-based methodology, INGENIAS can be an excellent alternative. There are a multitude of tools to do this, depending a lot on the complexity of the agent functions.
How are agents designed within a multi-agent system?
Specific roles and responsibilities are defined for each agent within the multi-agent system. Each agent has a clear role that allows it to interact with others and make decisions based on the information it receives. For example, in customer management, we can have a customer care agent, responsible for automatically answering frequent queries and providing personalized recommendations. Complementarily, a segmentation agent can analyze customer behavior and group them according to buying patterns, enabling more effective marketing strategies. In addition, retention agents can be included, responsible for identifying customers at risk of churn and triggering proactive strategies, such as discounts or personalized reminders. The combination of these roles enables advanced automation that improves the customer experience, increases loyalty, and optimizes operational efficiency in the company.
Interesting. And if I want to integrate this system with my existing CRM and ERP platforms, is it possible?
Absolutely. Through APIs and iPaaS platforms, we can connect multi-agent systems with tools such as Salesforce, SAP, or Microsoft Dynamics. This will allow real-time synchronization, avoiding data duplication, and improving decision-making. It all depends on the CRM or ERP you have to use one way or another so that they can talk to the multi-agent system.
Another question, can the multi-agent system grow with the company?
Yes, the multi-agent system can grow with the company through a scalable architecture designed to allow the incorporation of new agents in a flexible and progressive manner, adjusting to changes in demand or new business needs. This scalability can be achieved through the modularity of the system, which means that each agent is developed as an independent unit, capable of integrating with others without affecting the overall operation. In addition, self-adjustment and workload redistribution policies can be defined so that existing agents can adapt their functions according to the company's growth. A key point is fault tolerance, which means that if an agent stops working, the system automatically reassigns its tasks to others, ensuring operational continuity. This reinforces the system's stability and flexibility, allowing it to evolve without affecting performance or user experience.
What would be the process to implement AI in my company?
Basically, a process structured in 4 key phases is followed to ensure a successful implementation. Analysis. In this phase, the available data sources are studied and their quality and relevance are determined. The critical points where artificial intelligence can generate a greater impact are identified and the best way to integrate this data into the system is defined. Tests. Exhaustive tests are carried out through simulation scenarios where system performance, agent efficiency, and possible failures in communication or decision-making are evaluated. This allows detecting early errors and making adjustments before the actual implementation. 3. Optimization. Based on test results, algorithms, configuration parameters, and workflows are adjusted to improve system accuracy and efficiency. At this stage, machine learning techniques can also be integrated to allow agents to evolve and optimize their performance over time. Gradual implementation. The deployment of the system is done progressively, starting with a pilot phase in a specific area of the company. This allows its impact to be monitored and adjustments to be made before full expansion. Thus, the transition is more controlled and teams can gradually adapt to the new technology.
Sounds very structured. What are the main challenges in implementation?
Broadly speaking, systems compatibility, data security, and change management in the organization. However, with the right strategy and team training, these challenges can be successfully overcome.
You've convinced me. What would be the next step?
Perfect. Perform a detailed analysis of your business needs and objectives, define agent roles, and select the right technology.
How can I make further progress on these issues?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve customer management.